Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will be making paneer malai kofta and we will stuff the koftas with a spicy potato filling. Let's see the ingredients for making the koftas. We will start with smashing the boiled potatoes and then adding the spices to it. I don't want to overdo with the onions, so I am adding little at a time. Once we have added all the spices, we will mix it really well with the smashed potatoes. Now I will add the rest of the onions and give everything a good mix. The potato filling is ready. Now we will start smashing the paneer. Add little salt and black pepper in the paneer and mix everything well. For coating the koftas, I have taken here 2 portions of corn flour and 1 portion of maida. For making the koftas, we will grease our hands, take a portion of the paneer mixture and flatten it. Take a small portion of the potato filling and put it in the middle. Cover the potato filling with some paneer and seal the edges to form the kofta. In this same process, we will make the other koftas. Since the paneer and the potato filling both are soft, these koftas will turn out really delicate and soft. Now I will coat the koftas with the maida and the cornstarch mixture. Now the koftas are ready for frying. When the koftas are golden in color, we will take them out on an absorbent paper. Now we will start preparing for the gravy. We will cook this mixture until the tomatoes and the onions are soft and mushy. Add a few cashew nuts in the mixture and cook everything together. Now we can see the change in the texture of the mixture. We will let it cool down and then grind them to a fine paste. Cooking the spices in this way adds really great color to the gravy, but we have to be very careful so that the spices doesn't get burnt. I am adding water from the jar in which I prepared the paste. Mix everything really well, and once the gravy starts boiling, we will start dishing it out. We will pour the hot gravy on the koftas. In this way, the koftas doesn't break and also absorbs the spices from the hot gravy. The dish is ready to serve now. Thank you everyone for watching my video.